You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more similar words that can be a bit confusing, that look confusing, stay tuned. I've got very interesting videos that you should watch next. Bad is how it is pronounced. Ba, it's an open A sound. Bad, bad. How to pronounce in English? English pronunciation, bad. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.